Hi, in this demo video, I want to show you how to set up identifiers and how they are used in the system and how they're beneficial when you're creating class lists. So from the admin dashboard, the first step is to create them. So we pre-fill certain ones, but to add a new one, you'll add 3 letters for the abbreviations. And in this example, I'm doing a dual language learner. And I can select certain grades if I would like. In this example, it's a free trial. In a paid subscription, you would see all of your grade levels, and you could isolate dual language learner just for one grade level if you would like. In this example, I'm keeping them for all. Now click Add. They appear at the bottom. And now if I would like to rearrange the order in which these identifiers are displayed on the student card, I can. I'm going to move dual language learner up so it's next to ELL. Okay, let's see how this looks on the student card. So here's student Chris Fox, and now you'll see ELL is next to dual language learner. I'll select that for Chris, and it appears in the student cell. Okay. Another benefit with identifiers that you can use if you like is our assign identifiers. So that's assigning in bulk. So you could go through and do this work for your classroom teachers if you would like, or you can edit them. And maybe I would like to assign, um, Jack Salud as DLL also, and I'll save that. Okay. And now the real benefit of identifiers to me are when you get to the composition. So this is in progress. This is the new 3rd grade for next year. And now I can look and see the students who are identified as dual language learner quickly by clicking on the abbreviation. So here's Jack and Chris, and they are the ones who are identified as DLL. And I could change the setting to highlight, and then I would still see them, but in the context of the other students. And then if I would like, I could move these all of the students over who fit that identified label into one class. So that's the benefit of having identifiers when you get to the composition screen. The other benefit, which I just will preview briefly, and this is another demo video, is using them when you're setting up compose rules. So this is something you can do before the algorithm is run, and this is going to isolate certain students and place them in certain classes ahead of time, so you don't have to do that dragging and dropping after the fact. And but if you are interested, look at our compose settings demo video. Thank you.